Hey guys, I'm sure you introduce uh, video tutorial kyve video tutorial. So let's go and complete your all tasks. Let's see. First task, pools, and just wait. Many more network available. Create pools and next network, kyve network system, and go to faucet. Show your tweet and retweet, like your Twitter account and paste your retweet link and claim your tokens. And second task, this is join kyve discord and send hash exclamation faucet. This is copy and paste hash faucet channel, and many more others option available. List tasks, complete your all tasks and send this video.